Every bite you take is helping your baby grow, their brain, their bones, their heart, their immune system. And the good news, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Today, I'm going to share 10 of the best foods during pregnancy that doctors and nutrition experts often recommend, simple, natural, and powerful. Now, let me say this clearly, no single food guarantees a perfect pregnancy. But healthy, balanced choices over time can make a meaningful difference. Let's begin. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete foods you can eat. They contain high-quality protein and choline, a key nutrient that supports your baby's brain and spinal development. One egg provides nearly all the essential amino acids your body needs during pregnancy. Number 2, leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These are rich in folate, iron, and fiber. Folate is especially important because it supports early brain and spinal development. They also help prevent constipation and support healthy blood production. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in calcium and protein, which help support your baby's bones and teeth. It also contains probiotics that support digestion and gut health. A healthy gut helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Number 4, salmon. Salmon is one of the best natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA. DHA supports your baby's brain and eye development. It also helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health for mum. Number 5, lentils and beans. These are rich in plant protein, fiber, folate, and iron. They help support steady energy levels and healthy blood flow. They're also budget-friendly and easy to add to meals. Number 6, oranges. Oranges provide vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron and supports immune health. They also help keep you hydrated and reduce fatigue. Number 7, avocados. Avocados are full of healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. They help support your baby's nervous system and reduce leg cramps. They're also gentle on the stomach and easy to digest. Number 8, whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa. Whole grains provide long-lasting energy and important B vitamins. They support digestion and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. They also support your baby's growth through sustained nutrient supply. Number 9, lean meats, chicken, turkey, beef. Lean meats are rich in iron and protein, which help prevent anemia and support oxygen flow to your baby. Iron needs increase during pregnancy, making this food especially important. Number 10, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. They help protect your cells, support immunity, and reduce inflammation. They're also a naturally sweet, healthy snack. The ending. Your baby is growing every single day, and the choices you make today are shaping their tomorrow. You don't need perfection, you just need consistency, balance, and care. Small, healthy choices make a lifetime of difference. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more simple, positive health tips.